So what if you're on a bicycle and you're struck by an automobile? Well, first thing you need to do obviously is call 911. Crucial to get the medical care and also to get the police to the scene as soon as possible. Obviously, when you're on a bicycle, you don't have the protection that you might have if you were actually in a motor vehicle and you got hit. I can tell you from decades of experience, bicyclists are certainly much more prone to get seriously injured when hit by a car than other types of people, maybe except for pedestrians or perhaps motorcyclists. But after a crash, call 911, have the police come to the scene, make sure that you at least document what happened. The police will do a driver exchange and then follow it up with a long form police report. Most important thing, obviously, is to get the right medical care as soon as possible. Usually a bicyclist will go to an emergency room either on their own or with an ambulance. And then after that, they'll call us and then we'll step in and help them get to the right doctors as soon as possible for their injuries. You may have questions about how all this is paid for, so let me talk about that. If you're a bicyclist and you're hit by a motor vehicle, you're still eligible to get medical treatment in the state of Florida pursuant to PIP benefits, personal injury protection benefits. Basically, PIP benefits are insurance benefits that pay your medical bills at a rate of usually 80% up till they reach a limit of $10,000. If you're on a bicycle and you do not own a car, you do not have any car insurance, and you don't live with anyone who has car insurance, then you'll be eligible to have PIP benefits through the vehicle that hit you. If you do have your own car insurance and you just happen to be riding a bicycle, then your insurance would provide those PIP benefits. That's what we have in Florida. It's called no-fault insurance. You've probably heard that. Basically means that whenever you're involved in a crash with a motor vehicle, whether you yourself are in a motor vehicle, on a bicycle, a motorcycle, or walking as a pedestrian, it doesn't matter whose fault the crash was. Each person's own insurance company steps up and has to pay those PIP benefits. Again, if you don't have the PIP benefits, then the at-fault driver's insurance is going to pay for those benefits. And if for some reason there is no available PIP benefits, we can still help you because we have connections with different medical providers all over the state of Florida, and we can arrange for you to get the medical treatment you need through what's called a letter of protection, which is basically an agreement between you, the doctor, and our firm that they'll provide whatever medical treatment you need. And then at the end of your case, once we've made a recovery for you, we have to settle up with the doctors at that point. So if you have any questions, if you've been on a bicycle and been injured, give us a call. It's important that you call us as soon as possible. Usually bicyclists suffer serious injuries, and we want to make sure that we get you to specialists like neurosurgeons, neurologists, orthopedic surgeons as soon as possible so we can get you a complete understanding of exactly how bad or not bad your injuries are, and we can also get you on the road to recovery while at the same time developing your case as fully as possible, so when it's time for me to do my job and fight for you, I can get you top dollar. If you have any questions, chat with us at trialpro.com, and you're always welcome to call us anytime, day or night, at 1-800-TRIALPRO.